3, 2, 1.
Boo. Scared you, didn't I? Hi, I'm Alex Quinn, Fab Lab employee and pumpkin carving wonderkid. Here at the OU Innovation Hub Fab Lab, it's our job to make your ideas a reality. Want to build a can crusher? Sure. Better mousetrap? Easy. And we've got the tools and the know-how to help you with just about anything. And to prove it, we're going to get into the spooky season and cut up some lifeless gourds and turn them into works of art. We're going to start with a good old reciprocating saw. And would you look at that? A perfect cut. We're going to carve a pumpkin, we got to clean it. And that's a clean pumpkin. This is our hydraulic press. Safety glasses on. We need more velocity. Okay, so we're on the roof. We're gonna try and drop this pumpkin all the way up here. Maybe we can get a good carving in.
3, 2, 1.
For a more artisanal look, we're gonna have Zane here on the lathe. Show us how it's done. Wow. Boomer sooner. Now that we've cut the top out, it's time to go for the eyes. Oh yeah.